Hi guys, I'm Itchya, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and today we're going to talk about makeup brushes. Ding! So today we're going to talk about the Bite the Bullet brush set from Lurella Cosmetics. So you can see it comes in a very large tubby, so let's see what's inside. I'm just going to open it. Look at that. As you guys can see, it comes in a really nice fancy tubby. It's very easy to, kind of travel with this. If you are a makeup artist or a beginner with makeup and you need to travel around with your brushes, this is a really nice container to keep your brushes intact. And you can see there's buttons on the side, so you just need to secure it nicely. So let me just show you what's inside. And here we have our makeup brushes. Now let's talk about the brushes that are in this brush set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have 5 face brushes in this makeup brush set, and then we have 4 eye brushes. I'll go more into the details of how to use these brushes and what they are. The first one is the BB01 or the 01 brush. This is a powder brush. This is a fluffy powder brush. So any of the brushes which are in this kind of shape and kind of fluffy on the top, you can use it for your powdering. So all over the face, just if you want to pat, or even your compact, or even if you have a powdered sunscreen, this is a really good brush to use. Like la-di-la-di-da. So the next one is the BB04 brush that I'm going to talk about. This, as you can see, is a flat top brush. And this is also what we call a foundation brush or a stippling brush. It's very closely compact. So when you take some foundation or any kind of cream and apply it all over your face, this gives a really nice finish. And after this, you can also go with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge and just go all over it, and the foundation base will look amazing. The next brush you can see is this angled brush. This is also what we call an angled blush brush. So you can actually use this for your contour as well as your blush. I like to use it for both. So this is how you use this brush. This is the BB02 brush, and this is a powder brush of more flat. It's smaller than the one that we saw before, and it's for smaller areas as well. And this can also be used for contour. So I personally like to use brushes for multiple use. So sometimes I'll use the same brush for contour and blush, or sometimes I'll use the angled blush brush for the blush and this one for the contour. The last face brush from this set is the BB05, and you can see it's like a really nice, fluffy, at the same time thinner brush, and this will be really great for highlighting all the areas of your face. Now moving on to the detail eye brushes. In this brush set, we have a bigger fluffy blending brush to blend out the transition colors, and if you have bigger eyes as well, it's really nice. Overall, it's not too big, but it's really great for medium-sized to larger eyes. And then we have a medium-sized blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush, and this is like a little bit smaller than the one before, and this will also be great for definition work. Let's say if you want to do a cut crease, if you want to deepen the crease, this will be a really good brush. Finally, one of my favorite brushes is this really tiny detailed blending brush. You can see it's very tiny. It's fluffy, but it's small. So this will really be a great brush to kind of work in the really fine areas if you're doing like very artistic looks, and also at the bottom lash line as well if you want to kind of smudge the eye makeup. So yeah, one of my favorite. And the last one is this little, this is a multi-purpose brush. You can actually use it for your lips, you can use it for your concealer, you can use it for a lot of different things. You can even use it for your liner as well. So yeah, this is the small brush, either for your lips, for your eyes, for your brows. You can actually use it in many ways. So that was Lurella Cosmetics Bite the Bullet brush set. I really love this brush, and I hope you do too.